Hey y'all, my name's Dora, and I'm going to show you how to paint this gorgeous, loose Christmas wreath. Kind of. Today's video is a little bit different. I'm going to paint a few flowers and branches, and then I'm going to show you how to digitally put them all together to make a wreath. I tried several times to paint this wreath on paper, but I'd end up just becoming frustrated. It's almost impossible, for me anyways, to paint this wreath on paper because it has so many layers. Now we're going to paint the branches. The style of this wreath is very loose, almost messy, so the branches will be in this style as well. I have Paintshop Pro, but any photo software will do. We're just opening a new file here, 20 by 20, and then adding multiple raster layers. Don't forget to add this circle. It makes building the wreath very easy. Simply place your paintings on the black line. Always place your flowers first, and then put your branches or leaves and everything like that around it. Now that my flowers and big branches are in position, I'm going to layer a smaller branch on top of the bigger ones. Now let's add some carnations to the empty areas. Berries are always my last step, even when I'm painting. They're so easy to paint and they're small so they fit anywhere, and I find that they always add a nice pop of color. Now that the wreath is fully assembled, I'm going to go back in and tweak everything until it looks perfect. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if this video helped or inspired you, you should subscribe. Don't miss out on weekly creative watercolor videos, ideas, and inspiration.